Learn English to Gujarati verbs. Happen to enjoy with.
શરૂ કરવું.
And.
આનંદ માણવો.
Welcome to Verb City. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati verbs without falling asleep on page 2. We will laugh a little, repeat a lot, and make these words stick. Welcome to Verb City, a magical place where nothing is calm for more than 3 seconds. First, something always seems to.
થવું.
A pigeon lands on a scooter, a mango falls dramatically, and everyone asks, what will?
થવું.
Next. Then one brave student says, today I will.
સફળ થવું.
And the crowd claps as if she already won an award for opening her notebook. Nearby, an old fan finally starts to.
કામ કરવું.
Which is impressive because 5 minutes ago it sounded like a tired goat. But in Verb City, plans quickly.
બદલવું.
The class was in the library, then on the roof, then somehow in a snack shop. Every adventure must.
શરૂ કરવું.
And sometimes chaos must.
બંધ કરવું.
Especially when Uncle Ravi starts singing at full volume. Some things.
દાઉરવું.
A long time, like weddings, speeches, and your neighbor's opinion about tea. And the smart learner remembers the real goal, to.
આનંદ માણવો.
The process. Because if you enjoy it, you remember it. Your verbs for today. Let us meet the stars of today's chapter. Say them aloud with me like you are joining the world's most useful karaoke group. Happen is.
થવું.
Example. What will?
થવું.
Tomorrow? To succeed is.
સફળ થવું.
Example. With practice, you can.
સફળ થવું.
Work or function is.
કામ કરવું.
Example. Will this app?
કામ કરવું.
Now? Change is.
બદલવું.
Example. We need to.
બદલવું.
The plan. Begin is.
શરૂ કરવું.
Example. It is time to.
શરૂ કરવું.
Stop is.
બંધ કરવું.
Example. Please.
બંધ કરવું.
Talking. Last is.
દાઉરવું.
Example. How long will the meeting?
દાઉરવું.
To enjoy is.
આનંદ માણવો.
Example. We should.
આનંદ માણવો.
The moment. A very unstable morning. Now you will hear a short story. Your mission is simple. Notice how often daily life becomes a comedy show. Rena woke up and said, today something exciting will.
થવું.
I can feel it. She pressed the coffee machine. Nothing. She pressed it again. Still nothing. Please.
કામ કરવું.
She whispered like she was begging a tiny metal king. Suddenly the machine exploded with sound, steam, and way too much confidence. It did.
કામ કરવું.
But mostly on the walls. Rena looked at the kitchen and decided to.
બદલવું.
Her breakfast plan. Toast? No. Tea? Also dangerous. Dry biscuits? Safe, boring, perfect. Then she opened her study book. I will.
શરૂ કરવું.
Now, she said. Her phone rang. Her dog barked. Her neighbor began drilling something that absolutely did not need drilling. Can the noise?
બંધ કરવું.
For 1 minute, she cried. But she kept going. After an hour, she smiled. Maybe I can really.
સફળ થવું.
Single quote. Then the power went out. In Verb City style, anything can.
થવું.
Still, the blackout did not.
દાઉરવું.
Long. She sat by the window, ate her emergency biscuit, and chose to.
આનંદ માણવો.
The breeze like a philosopher with snacks. Mini dialogues. Time for fast, useful dialogues. Repeat the Gujarati parts after me and imagine you are surprisingly good at this. A. What will happen now? B. Have some.
થવું.
A. Can you succeed? B. Yes, I want to.
સફળ થવું.
A. Does the printer work? B. Yes, it will.
કામ કરવું.
Now. A. This plan is strange. B. Then let us.
બદલવું.
It. A. Are you ready? B. Yes, let us.
શરૂ કરવું.
A. Should I keep talking for 40 minutes? B. No, please.
બંધ કરવું.
A. Will the movie last long? B. Yes, it will.
દાઉરવું.
3 hours. Bring snacks. A. Are you enjoying the festival? B. Yes, I really.
આનંદ માણવો.
It. Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. A silly memory is often a strong memory. So let us be educationally ridiculous for a moment. 4.
થવું.
Imagine a giant drum roll before anything happens. You open the fridge and dramatic music says, something will.
થવું.
4.
સફળ થવું.
Picture yourself climbing stairs made of gold biscuits and reaching a trophy at the top. Yes, success is now snack-based. 4.
કામ કરવું.
Imagine a toaster wearing glasses saying, I only.
કામ કરવું.
After coffee. 4.
બદલવું.
Imagine a chameleon changing color every second because it cannot commit to one fashion choice. 4.
શરૂ કરવું.
Picture a giant glowing start button in the sky. Press it in your laundry, your homework, and your life all.
શરૂ કરવું.
At once. 4.
બંધ કરવું.
Imagine an alarm clock begging you to.
બંધ કરવું.
It's ringing because even it is tired. 4.
દાઉરવું.
Imagine a snail announcing that lunch will.
દાઉરવું.
3 days. 4.
આનંદ માણવો.
Imagine a cat drinking milk like a king at a royal banquet, fully determined to.
આનંદ માણવો.
Every sip. Quick challenge. Let us see what you remember. I ask, you answer in your head or out loud before I reveal it. How do you say happen?
થવું.
How do you say to succeed?
સફળ થવું.
How do you say work or function?
કામ કરવું.
How do you say change?
બદલવું.
How do you say begin?
શરૂ કરવું.
How do you say stop?
બંધ કરવું.
How do you say last?
દાઉરવું.
How do you say to enjoy?
આનંદ માણવો.
Friendly conclusion. You made it, and that means your brain did excellent work today. Also, unlike Rena's coffee machine, your memory actually decided to cooperate. Today you practiced how to say.
થવું. સફળ થવું. કામ કરવું. બદલવું. શરૂ કરવું. બંધ કરવું. દાઉરવું.
And.
આનંદ માણવો.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words aloud, use them in tiny daily sentences, and do not worry if mistakes.
થવું.
That is how progress begins, how confidence starts to.
કામ કરવું.
And how you eventually.
સફળ થવું.
Most of all, keep showing up and.
આનંદ માણવો.
The process. See you in the next chapter.